Hi, welcome back to part 2 of robots. As I was saying, kind of how Machinima and Hasbro power parts that just kind of fell apart completely. Hasbro instructions were complete garbage. I mean, I had like the Dark Evil Nemesis Hot Rod Prime Rodimus fitter. They're like, just take the head and turn it. It snapped off. That's what the instructions told you. Take it and turn it. What you're supposed to do is pull it back, turn it, then push it forward for the new head. Nope, that's not what the instructions said. It's kind of like bop it, twist it, turn it, pass it, beep it, you know? Remember that bop it game? It was like playing bop it game with the Hasbro instructions. And when they had these nice, shiny stickers, ooh, pretty shiny stickers, with a high traffic transformation area. So like, and when they put the paint, you don't even touch the paint job area. Now, if they were swap around and put the stickers in the air, the shiny stickers in the area where the paint was, and paint where the area where the shiny stickers was, it would have been way better. Because as soon as you transform it from like its road mode into like its art mode, or its second art vehicle mode, or battle base, or power form, those stickers are already peeling off, ruining. We had this problem before, I think it was the Combiner Wars, I believe it was. They took a cue from that and did, the times return nicely and probably the C's line up nicely, but yeah. Transformers, no shiny stickers. If there is shiny stickers, put it in an area that your hands and fingers are not going to touch. That's going to break into, where you have to tab it in and untab it and stuff. Just paint it around those areas. And areas that you're not going to be tabbing, swapping, pushing, pulling, pegging in and stuff. Those are the areas that paint should be on. Areas that are not transformable, areas that are transformable. Just paint it. So how tall is this guy? About 4.5 inches, maybe 5 inches. They vary. So yeah, no instructions, no weapon accessories. So let's get this open up and unbox and take a look at it. So their legs do extend a little bit. So they do have this rail system. Can they stand up on their own? No. Due to how the vehicle mode is, where it has these double tailpipes, they cannot stand up. Would have been nice if the tailpipes could either flip into it or somehow rotate some way to kind of make it a little bit more flat feet, but without having something behind it, they just, yeah. So you kind of have to have something behind it. How tall are these? Well, let's kind of get some of these little fitters up here. I thought I had a mini fitter. Oh well. So okay, you don't want to stand up? Okay, but I ain't gonna use you. I'm trying to find the easiest one here. Yeah, maybe we'll use you. Come on, open up there, baby. Come on. Don't fight me here. So Yeah, I don't know if you can see this one on camera there. Actually, let me put him over here. Well, you can see him probably a little better. So yeah, this is the size comparison. The new RID Bumblebee team size. Times return size, so a little bit shorter than times return. Roughly on the size of that. And this, as I forgot to show you in the packaging, there is 2 different sizes of bots. Artboard. Let me get this stuff out of the way. So this is kind of like the lowest deluxe class fitters, and these are like their mini ones, which is like their Legends or Warrior class, which are like, you know, these little size ones, which we'll see when we transform and stuff. So head does not turn. Everything is fantastic painted, and you got panel line detail, which is excellent, way better than the Hasbro ones. Like I said, head does not move. Arms could rotate all the way around and out. No elbow bend. No real hands. You can't hold anything. You can't bend or anything. The waist does rotate around. Legs could go about that far back, that far forward. It could do the splits. No ankle bend on there. No knee bend. So transform it. Pop that up. Slide those in and kind of tab them in there a little bit. Rotate the feet. There are 2 little pads here, 2 little holes there to just kind of pad them in there. Which, yeah, I don't know why the bat one doesn't really want to go in. Oh, I can see why. There's a little bit of flashing on there. That, you know, you're going to have to take a hobby knife and kind of trim it up a bit. Just kind of get everything